TRON Lightcycle Run is the fastest roller coaster at Walt Disney World, so it's important to know how to use the locker system so you don't lose anything out of your pockets while you're zooming overhead, everybody waiting to get on the ride.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
You can bring a small bag with you as you walk the queue, but once you've been digitalized, it will be important to put anything that's larger than a cell phone in one of the lockers. So there's over 7 banks of lockers, quite enough for everybody that's riding. And the trick that I like to use is to walk around the corner to get to banks 6 and 7. Those are the first ones you'll see when you get off. I've chosen this one, so you just scan your magic band up there, or your admission media. It'll blink white telling you it's yours. Then you can open it and put all your stuff in there. Then when you're done, just make sure you close it and blink once and the light turns off. You know it's yours.
So when you get off, look for your number. It's going to be one of the illuminated ones. See, 626 is not in use. I mean, 632 is not in use. 626, the Stitch locker, my favorite, is in use because it's mine. So just take your path, the magic band, or your phone, or your card, and it will change to white, start blinking, and you can open it. Okay, when you're done, I recommend sticking your hand in there, just feeling around, making sure you didn't miss anything, or maybe shine a light off your phone, because it can be dark in there, and your eyes may not have adjusted to the dark. And then when you close it, if you don't close it, see, it's going to blink like that. So just give it a good close, it'll blink once, and then the light will turn off, and now it's ready for the next guest to use it. So in addition to cast members walking around, here's a little secret: if you forgot your locker number, first of all, it's one of the ones that's illuminated, but second of all, you can use your magic band or your admission ticket to find the locker. Just scan it right here, press the language you want to, press the language you are, then scan it, and it will take you to your locker. Finally, if you don't have a magic band or you don't have an admission card that works, find a cast member. They'll hand you a locker card, which you can use to reserve a locker, and then you can come back when you're done and deposit it here so somebody else can use it again later.
Use of the locker is complimentary while you ride the roller coaster, so make sure you store your goods and have a safe and fun adventure on TRON Lightcycle Run.